guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I hope you are all having an amazing day and you are super excited for this video where I'm going to show you 3 different smoothie recipes to suit your specific goals. So whether that be you're trying to lose a bit of weight, you're trying to maintain your weight, or you're trying to gain some muscle mass. These 3 protein smoothies will be perfect for you, whichever one of these goals you are trying to reach. But please do remember that, if you need specific tailored advice in terms of how many calories you should be eating, please go see a dietitian or a nutritionist because they will be able to provide you with exact numbers and personalized information for your needs. Also, if you want some more information about if you really need protein powder and how often you should take protein powder, I actually recently created a whole playlist on protein powders. There's 3 videos in that, so I will link them up here as well as in the description box below if you want to find out more about protein powders, the different types, if you need them, etc, etc. Just check those links out down below. They'll be really helpful for you. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 delicious high protein smoothies for these different body composition goals. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to quickly mention that if you are new here, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button down below. It really supports my channel. And also, if you want to be notified of every new video, click the bell notification button because then you will be notified of that. So with all that said, let's jump straight into these 3 delicious recipes. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
So first up, we have this delicious blueberry muffin smoothie. This smoothie is only 180 calories, so it is perfect if you want to get a good hit of protein with a delicious tasting smoothie, but you don't want something too heavy. So I would have this, if I had just done a workout but I was going to eat lunch in like an hour or something and I just wanted a hit of protein, I would have something like this because it's lower in calories and it allows you to get that protein in and also have a delicious tasting smoothie. So I've just added in some frozen blueberries, some ice, half a cup of almond milk and half a cup of water, as well as the cinnamon and protein powder. And that is it for this smoothie. It's super quick and easy. And because we're doing half almond milk, half water, that just reduces the calories a little bit. But you could totally change this up to whatever berry you like. You could have it blueberries, cherries, raspberries, whatever you have on hand. Berries are a great source of antioxidants, so I highly recommend them, and they're also a lot less calories than bananas.
So next up we have the second smoothie, which is catered towards someone who just wants to maintain their weight. So it's kind of a mid-range calorie smoothie. It's a great shake to have every day as a snack. I often have this kind of shake myself. I find it really satisfying, really tasty, but not too high or too low in calories. So it's just a great snack that will fill you up and give you that hit of protein after a workout. So let's jump straight into that one.
So this smoothie is a bit creamier and it tastes a bit more decadent than the previous smoothie. This is a chocolate lovers smoothie. The ingredients are super simple. We just start off with half of a frozen banana, as well as 1 cup of almond milk. So we're just using almond milk here, no water. And then I'm adding in some protein powder. Here I'm just using chocolate protein powder. I'll link all the protein powders below if you want to check them out. Then I'm adding in some cocoa powder because I love my chocolate smoothies to be extra chocolatey, and it's also really good for you. Cocoa powder is actually really healthy, so add that in, and that's it for the smoothie. You just blend that up, and then as you can see here, it is slightly thicker than the previous one, and that is because of the addition of the frozen banana. Frozen banana it just works wonders in smoothies. It makes smoothies super creamy and just so good. So I highly recommend freezing bananas so you have them on hand whenever you want to make a protein smoothie. This is the final product for this one. It's honestly so tasty and it's a great way to get that protein in.
Alright, so the third recipe for this video is a higher calorie smoothie that is perfect for someone who wants to gain a bit of muscle mass. So in this smoothie, we are adding in some healthy fats in the form of nut butter. You can choose whatever nut butter you have at home, but today I decided to go with some peanut butter because it has the highest amount of protein per nut for the different types of nut butters. So it goes peanut and then almond is shortly after that. And then the other nuts like macadamias, cashews, hazelnuts, they all have a bit less protein. So I would say to go with peanut butter if you were trying to get a high amount of protein into your smoothie. So we're gonna go with that today. I hope you enjoy this tasty peanut butter smoothie.
So as you can see, this smoothie has 500 calories. That is about the size of a meal. And for most people who are just wanting a protein shake, you probably won't need this. However, if you are looking to gain muscle mass, you actually need to be in a calorie surplus, which means you're eating more than how much you are using in your day. So if you are trying to up your calories, I would highly recommend making a smoothie like this. With the addition of a few simple ingredients like peanut butter and a few oats, you actually increase the amount of calories by a lot. And so the only thing I've really changed is the addition of the nut butter, some oats, and I doubled the amount of banana. So instead of half a banana, we have a full banana in this smoothie. This tastes incredible, and I actually had this as my breakfast when I made it. So it is a great recipe if you're gonna have it for a meal. If you're still trying to maintain your weight or lose weight, you can definitely still have this, but I would probably have it as a meal rather than just a snack because it is a bit higher in calories. However, as I said before, if you are bulking, if you are trying to increase your size, this would be a great snack or post-workout shake because you are getting that protein in with some extra calories to help you build that muscle.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed all of these smoothie recipes. Remember that you do need to fuel your body with the right amount of calories for you, and that is specific to you. I cannot tell you how many calories you need because it does depend on your height, your weight, your goals. For example, do you want to increase your muscle mass? Do you want to lose a bit of fat? Do you want to stay the same weight but have a higher amount of lean muscle mass and a bit less fat? That's called body recomposition, and that's kind of what I'm trying to do. I'm totally happy with my weight, but I just want to slightly get a bit stronger and just kind of recompose my body's muscle to fat distribution. So that's my goal. So that's why I'm kind of sitting in the middle, and I tend to go for the mid-range of calories. But obviously it is totally dependent on your specific needs. So if you do need help deciding how many calories to have in a day, I would highly recommend going and seeing a dietitian or a nutritionist that can give you personal advice, because everything that I give on my channel is generalized. I try my best to provide value for all of you, but obviously you are all completely different and you need personalized advice if you really want to advance with your nutrition and your body composition goals. So I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. Let me know in the comments down below which of these 3 smoothies you're gonna try out. I think they all taste amazing and they're all really, really great smoothies. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.